Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, welcome. We'll see if we get some other speakers up in a moment. Just wanted to get the stream going. Good morning. Thanks for hopping in. Just give it a few moments. We'll get our speakers up here in a moment. Hey, good morning, Justin.
Good morning, man.
That's good. Your AMD's gonna wake up looking pretty nice.
Yeah, I wish I had swung more contracts than just one, but
yeah, that's always the case, right?
I went in at small at 3 contracts anyway. And then just before it closed, I remembered Oracle earnings. I'm like, oh shit! And so I sold two of them. I'm like, I'll swing one lotto. Well,
Yeah, it worked out though, man, because that Oracle pushed all tech. All tech is up.
yeah, it did.
Morning.
Good morning, guys.
And what did you have overnight? Anything for Oracle or? I know in our room we had some PLTR swings. I know a couple people did take lottos on that Oracle, which is crazy. But they're gonna get paid this morning.
We took Oracle. We took the 260 calls into ER. So
Wow.
I'm excited. Those we bought those at 375. They're worth a little over 5,000 a contract right now. So absolutely fucking nuts. I'm into it. I told myself I wasn't gonna look until this morning. I'm like, don't you dare do simulated returns. You're just gonna get yourself excited.
It's like you want to see the realize when it actually opens.
Absolutely. Well, how many times do you look at night during an ER and you're like, oh, I'm up like 10K. And then you wake up the next morning and it's like back to break even. You're like, I'm not up anything. It's totally happened before. So I was like, let's look in the morning. And right now she's doing pretty good. So hopefully for the next 9 minutes, she holds up.
Yeah. It's been a week already, huh?
Isn't that
Crew.
crazy? Crazy. I don't
That's
even
how
have my
I
IDA
gauge
levels yet.
each week has gone. That's how I know a week has gone by because we're back to Wednesday spaces. This
Oh,
this is when all of the degenerate earnings gamblers come out.
hey, yo.
In the Discord, the people that don't ever talk are like, I had some Oracle earnings. I'm like, okay.
You're like, congratulations. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah. No, it's amazing. I really hope they, hold on to the money, and I'm jealous for
yeah.
sure, but I don't touch earnings. I just don't. I was so sick of being right and losing all the time. Remember, I don't know if Dodger remembers we did Peloton. Peloton was at like 86 and we got 90 calls, not even that far out of the money. It opened up at like $94 and I opened red. I was like, F this.
Wow. Yeah, that's happened to me on earnings before too. I get it. You know what? I did do some VGO last Friday, and those I made like I literally bought three cons. It was probably like a $900 bet, something like that, and I made almost 10K on it. And then this one I threw to 1,600 towards these oracles, and I'm up like 22 grand right now, assuming I'm able to sell at open and they don't just like instantly drop, or hopefully they'll pop. We'll see. Um, but I think ER's fun as long as you know that they could be zero. Like as long as you prepare yourself for them to be nothing. I feel like
Yeah.
ER plays can be interesting. But like Chewy, most
Yep.
people
Exactly.
would have assumed that Chewy would have got six down. So I feel like that.
Yeah. Have to be lottos. Um, and I would always go out of the money pretty heavily because it's super expensive at the money or in the money. So
It's all right. Oh yeah. All right.
yeah, if you make $1,200 and you buy $200-$300 lotto that day, or but like you said, consider it zero. Absolutely, it's just the way it is.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
absolutely.
Oracle it's held that whole move up, and it's gonna like 320 right now with 6 minutes still open. So that's pretty impressive. Usually you'll see it
Send
fade,
Yeah,
you'll
help.
fade back a little bit.
Send
that
help.
move is
It literally
crazy.
I said that.
is
I
bonkers.
said that to my whole chat. I was like, guys, I'm like, don't look. I was like, what happens is a lot of the times it'll go up, sometimes it'll come right back down. And I'm like, so don't get excited until open. Then get
Yeah,
excited.
a lot can happen between after hours and pre-market. So
Absolutely. Okay, I'll be right back. Surprise, surprise. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, baby.
Hi. Okay, let me get.
Amazing call.
Thank you. I'm gonna get share my screen up. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have any IWM levels yet. I like literally haven't even looked at the chart. I've been looking at Oracle all morning. So that's what I'm gonna be focused on. It's such a crazy size position that I have left because I told Ash, but I didn't tell you guys. I may or may not have degened like a minute before close into 3 more contracts. So that's what I have. I have 4 contracts in this. So I'm just like, I gotta be able to protect my capital here. So that's the chart I'm gonna be staring at right at open. Sorry, that's not for you. This was for you.
Locked in games, guys. And if it's a big day for you, then take the day off. Last thing you want to do is give money back.
We got this. All right, chart is up for Oracle. I'm gonna look at IWM really, really fast just because we can. Okay, nice big pump. So you'll see all these lines here, guys. I figured out how to add the orb. How to add the orb without having to draw it myself. And how you do that is, this actually looks a little confusing because the way that it is, the colors. So we're going to go to indicators. You're going to go to orb. You're going to go to this ZZZ crypto 123. Okay. You're going to add it to your chart. Then you're going to click on your chart. See this? You go to settings. And then we're going to change the colors on it. Let's make it blue. I feel like blue will be easier to see maybe. We'll go 1 pink, 1 blue so we could see resistance and we'll see the support. And then also have to change the time. You go to the 15 minutes. I think it originally starts you on the 5, so go to the 15-minute and then do 9:30 to 9:45 time frame. I'll make a video of how to do that, but just so you guys will have it. And that way it's super easy for you guys to be able to put these levels in yourself.
That's nice.
Right? I figured
I need to know, are you dropping this right at open or what?
dropping what? Yeah, I have 4 cons, so I'm probably gonna clip 2 of them like right at open. I feel like there's
gonna be profit taking, guys. It's just gonna it might it'll probably go back to like 300 and bounce from there.
Watching Tesla at open, JD at open.
I'd be greedy pig.
Yeah, don't be a greedy pig.
I hate that I couldn't mark it out for 15
Amy,
minutes.
you're not able to
So
speak
big.
still?
I think I sent her. I did approval.
I
And I
don't
sent her
know
another
why
invite.
this is
So did I.
showing up the way that it is because I feel like there's
I
extra
sent it to her
lines on this
too.
chart right now.
Apple's still weak, guys.
Yesterday it was good. Let me take. What is this? What is ghost band exhaustion? How do we take that off? I don't want that on there. I don't know how to take that off the chart.
I was here and then I wasn't. It's weird. Like half the time when I'm brought up on X Spaces, everybody goes silent. I can't hear anyone. I have to like leave and come back. It's so glitchy.
It's like Discord sometimes, right? We get that same thing.
It's just terrible. Terrible.
Yeah, I think I
I'll fix
approved you
this
and
in a
I
minute,
had to
guys.
resend you an invite.
Market's going to open in 36 seconds. So I'm going to go back to the Oracle chart and then I'll fix that. I'm going to make sure that I I'm locking in some
Tesla
of these contracts here.
fails this spot again, it's going to be another dump day on Tesla.
We had those SMCA lottos yesterday. It's up 3%, so those should be nice. He said Miyagi said he didn't get a fill. He must have been trying to fill for like 50 contracts. I know he plays huge
Oh,
positioning.
he didn't get filled yesterday?
Yeah, and it was
Oh
like
man.
they had good volume, so I'm guessing he was trying to. Oh, he got 5 of it. Yeah, see, he was trying to fill 50. Okay.
Oh wow, yeah. I know that was his play. He was definitely looking at it way before, so
Yep.
Of course, not even registering. Why is Robinhood not registering Oracle? No.
Yeah, Robinhood
I
is
feel ill
tough in
prepared
the
today,
front.
just to let you guys know, guys. I'm I don't know what I like right now, other
Can
than
you
trimming these
market sell?
swings.
You can market sell Robinhood right away, right? Pretty sure you can. You just can't market buy, I think.
Oof, our Nvidias are up 416%. I'm
What's up,
selling
everybody?
half.
Hope everybody good. Hope everybody having a good day. Nasdaq looking for a sweep of data low 23,926. If we can sweep data low, get some bullish action after that, I'll be looking to get long. Right now, we just got that opening volatility move, so I'm just cash waiting on it to come to me.
Good morning,
Wow,
Juicy. What's
something
up?
paid because I'm up 9K on my account. Okay, Palantir's up massively. Okay, that's why. 100% on our Palantir.
I have one left.
Yeah, Palantir's up 1.5%.
All right,
1
guys, I was able to sell 3 of those
3%.
contracts. I have one left.
nice, nice.
Watch it absolutely just rip face now, and we're not in it.
You secured the bag.
A
You're good.
crazy fucking play.
SMCI opened up about
What a
38% up.
crazy play.
Watch your spread, guys.
Absolutely nuts.
What else do I got here?
Go team.
I still can't believe that UNH yesterday. I'm still in shock.
What?
UNH swings. UNH just ripped face
Oh,
yesterday.
yeah. Oh, wait, did it? Oh, I'm still in it. Let's go. Oh, wait, no. It ripped yesterday. I was up like almost 100% on those 500 UNH calls.
Milky,
Nice.
your mic is like, I don't know, it sounds like you're rolling down the stairs or something. It's like
Okay, I'm
cutting
gonna come
into or
back. I'll come back.
something. Let's see here.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
might be
Tesla
something with
whipped right back up.
her mic might have an issue with her Enneagram.
See if JD can dip rip. IWM, nice pre-market flag there.
Hey, actually, how does my mic sound? Does it sound better than
Sounds
it did
good.
before?
Yeah, way
Yeah, you
better.
sound
Okay.
great.
All
KT
right.
sounds a little muffled, but not bad. You sound perfect.
Awesome. Thank you.
I'm in my car on my little thing here, trying to put the mic right by my face.
It's not bad. It's just not like a $200 mark sitting on a PC. It's not bad
Right.
though.
Yeah.
I got like a $9. What is it? The Skull Candy wired mic.
I grabbed
Ooh, nice
a
dip
Tesla
rip on
call
Tesla.
position, guys. High risk, lotto. I'm gonna let it run deep red too. I probably have like a 50% stop on this one. I want to hold 350. I'm letting it be a deeper stop though. So large accounts only.
Yeah, see if it could dip rip out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm exhausted today too. Good luck on your thing, Katie.
Oh, thanks.
Hope
Yeah.
everything's okay.
Yeah, just from the car accident a while ago.
Yeah. All right, let's go out. My puppy's been in the corner since last night. She's so mad at me. Come on. Ugh.
Tesla trying to get over that level here. JD got the dip rip kind of like Tesla. Meta is getting smoked
Boom.
here.
Let's go, Tesla. Look at that push. Okay. Okay. We like that.
I swung those Apple puts from yesterday. I'm up 167%.
Nice.
Actually, 170. Yep. I love shorting those events.
I hit about 25% on that Tesla, but I didn't trim any. So hopefully it holds.
Yeah, we want to get this flag, like
Yeah.
a body candle over this right here, this pre-market right here, this 351
Yeah.
right there, right where it's at.
Exactly. And this impulse candle, we really kind of want to, yeah, we want to hold VWAP. I'm letting it go, guys. I could have taken a trim. I can cut it break even, but I'm gonna let it go. See how it plays out. If it starts drilling, I'll cut it. But I like this 350 level. I like that it's not getting smacked down. It's trying to test it again. So
Yeah, it finally like popped back up instead of just going down instantly
yeah,
like we've seen so many times on Tesla. I mean, it
exactly.
has to hold obviously, but
I am not doing X spaces. I'm not doing spaces this afternoon. No way. I'm not doing. I don't care.
with Wolf,
Yeah, there's no way. I hate doing spaces the last 2 hours of the day. It's terrible.
yeah, brutal.
It is. I was falling asleep almost Monday on it. But you guys know
Yeah,
I'm not a big power hour trader. I find my swing trades at lunch, and then power hour I'm kind of just
yeah.
double checking everything because I'm a pre-market trader too. I'm up pre-market doing stuff. So by 1 in the afternoon, I'm done for.
Oracle dip rip. Um, someone in the Discord was like, "We're getting puts, right?" I was like, "No, I mean, why? What?
I would never buy
Just because
puts right
something
there.
pops, yeah." And
No,
the IV is gonna be insane. Like either way, you're paying for them. Now, if it breaks your levels, that you're usually touching stuff the day after earnings is not the move.
at least the first 30 minutes. Let that IV chill out.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Meta still
Palantir giving
now
it up.
now it's a little bit of a bear flag on Meta on the smaller time frame.
Unity still green again today. MU looked nice this morning. I don't know what it looks like now. Holding well. I've got two MUs left, like 800% on those final MU for 919. From probably those are probably 2 weeks old though. Those aren't new guys. Those are a couple weeks old runners.
Tesla really couldn't get over that 351
Yeah.
area. The candle body high is right at 351, so
Leave her alone, Oliver. Go on. Intel still looks decent too. Daily doesn't look bad. Looks like he wants to pop again. Mm.
So far, I'm flat, a couple points away from this data low here and then Q. If we can get the sweep, you got to win our support area right under it. We'll see what we do. Data low is at 23,926. I wanted to take it and bounce. If I can get my setup after we take it and bounce, I will be going long. If it just runs right through it, I'm just stay flat. Trading is waiting. Waiting is trading.
yeah, JD never got that bounce really. We're being patient, baby. We're being patient. Wow, Meta is still dropping. Hopefully everybody's having a good Wednesday morning here. Microsoft trying to bounce off pre-market low. Tesla is getting smoked here.
Yeah.
350. Like I said, man, that rejection at 350s.
Nvidia's still pushing. I have 5 left, 627% on those guys.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Okay, guys. Oracle. We're up 1,800% on this trade.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is nuts.
Crazy, dude.
I'm so happy. I'm rugging again, by the way.
Hood looks really good here. This little pre-market high. Not pre-market, like it's the 119.50 level. We just dipped off of it. I don't mind Hood here at all for calls. It's got to hold
SMCI's
120.50.
breaking.
Hood for calls. Hey Eddie,
Yep.
you can't have me on both Discord and this, otherwise I'm drugging.
Is that what it is?
I think so. Yeah, because he probably has me up on Discord and then that. Ooh, yeah, Hood could do a breakout here.
I'm up
Ooh, I never traded
40%
it. You tell me.
on our October SMCI. We were about 40% here. Let's see here. Let's see. I got nothing.
I got I'm so stoked on Oracle. I can't even think about anything else.
That's how it is too. Like, you got to be like, hold on a second here.
This is my biggest trade ever. Like, I've had good trades before in the sense of like I've called them and they could have been worth this much, but I've never actually held them this long. So I'm like, I'm up 25K today. I'm like, what? Like,
That's
let's
sick.
go. Like,
That's
I'm so
nice.
Hell yeah.
stoked.
Nice job. Come on,
Celebrate
Maisie.
that. I mean, you took the risk. You deserve the friggin' rewards. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh
You
yeah,
got
it's
rest,
Eddie.
Maisie. Let's go.
Wait, maybe it's not Eddie. Is Eddie still here? Hello?
I think he hopped off when you said the don't listen on Discord something.
Yeah, I am still rugging now. How weird.
Yeah, that's weird. Tesla trying to get a little bounce. JD is getting smoked still. Microsoft trying to bounce on pre-market low. Same with Meta. Hood, almost new high a day.
So you're saying we should have taken Hood?
Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty strong pattern at open here. Got new high a day. There we go.
Dude, Microsoft, big dump.
Guys, check that pattern I posted in the main chat for SPY.
Someone's echoey. Don't know who.
Wow, this is a
Wow,
fucking
it's a
boring
fucking
morning.
boring morning.
Everybody swung, and they're taking profits on Nvidia and Oracle and all this SMCI. My Apple level is 23387. Literally where we closed yesterday and then lost today. 236% on those puts. I'm gonna close them right here. All I did is short the Apple event. That's all I did. Any Apple event like that, I just get puts every time. They usually have there's some sort of pump. Beautiful.
Hey,
Okay,
Emma,
Tesla's
look at
still
Core
trying.
Weave.
Wow, Microsoft smoked.
I'm starting to think you
I'm
might
starting
have
to
the
think
echo,
you might
Katie,
have the
because you're
echo,
the only
Katie,
one I
because
don't
you're the
hear
only one I
twice
don't hear twice
when you talk.
when you talk.
So
Maybe I'm
weird.
sitting in my car, so I'm sitting in my car with Bluetooth. I got to go in right now for the MRI anyway, so I'll just turn off my mic.
Jeez.
Yeah, I don't hear echo anymore. So I think that's where it was from.
And Core Weave out of the dumps, just like I said.
SoFi's ripping.
92 to 120. We're just
That is a new relative high on SoFi as well, guys. That's a big deal. This break right here. Still going. I might have to trim a little bit of SoFi today.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. Am I rugging?
No, you sound good.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
It
We
was KT the whole time.
was it? All right. IWM, she did. Okay, she's holding bullish channel pretty well. She gave us a nice retest there. She's just hitting this resistance zone. I don't love it. Like, I want to love the long because I'm in swings, but I'm just kind of like, I'm not loving this current setup right now with how the movement is so far. A lot of volume into these candles, but I'm just still not loving it. Let me look at Q's. Q's with a nasty pull. Little bit of a recovery here on this last 5 minutes. SPY with a little recovery. Okay, I'm gonna get my channels mapped out here.
Right? I gotta get something mapped out. I'm like ill prepared today.
It's how I feel. I'm like, all I've been looking at is Oracle. I'm like, whatever, it's fine. I don't care what happens with the rest of the market.
Right. Well, I've been very focused on a lot of these swings, which is fine. We're still making money, you know what I mean? But SPY looks strong here,
Yeah.
guys. I actually don't hate a little call position. Of course, you got to be prepared to trim it at pre-market high, which is 654.24, which is only about 50 cents from right now. But I'm not personally buying yet. I will let you know if I buy.
Let me go. Okay, we have. Okay, I feel like my internet's a little fucked up right now. I think that's what's happening. She's holding mid-range, she's holding VWAP, she's holding her 90 MA. I just still don't love the setup. She's got a big resistance zone up here. Yeah, I'm not feeling. She could pop from here. I'm just not feeling the entry. I know it sounds annoying to say that, but I'm not loving it.
We've had so many negative catalysts with the market overall the last few days that if we continue to rip, I can't connect the dots to that. It doesn't make sense to not at least have a little bit of pullback. No, I'm not talking about any sort of recession. I'm just saying we've had a lot of stuff that I don't know. This market is wild.
It is. It is wild. I'm gonna stop out here on my last oracle, by the way.
Very nice.
Yeah. Nice little tradey trade.
Mm.
All right, guys, we're out of Oracle ABGO. Those 355s, those are up 116%. These were very expensive, so I'm not sure how many of you guys bought these, but these are for not this week, but the 26th, September 26th, the 355s. We're now $5 in the money.
Nice.
It's weird. I'm actually starting to swing a little bit more comfortably, even though we haven't had our thing yet. And I'm like, okay, good. Now
Week
at least
from
I'll go in
today.
there.
Right?
Now at least yeah, a week from I'm like, at least I'll go in there, and now I'm gonna have a little bit more confidence under my belt and be like, look what I did.
Love it.
I was a complete degenerate. I made money. God, I'm not loving the movement on IWM, guys.
I gotta find this dog. She just had surgery yesterday and she's out roaming in the yard. I gotta find her.
She's just living her life.
Oh yeah. I mean, it was just being spayed, but still.
Oh, understandable.
Come on, you.
Q's trying to hold here. SPY giving us some sideways chop, holding mid-range, holding bullish channel. Let me actually get this bearish channel drawn out here on SPY. I'm just not. She's just ranging us. Maybe she's just consolidating us for a nice move, but we'll see. IWM still weak. No day trades for me on IWM as of right now. Just being patient here, guys. Ash, you did amazing. I'm proud of you. I got stopped out at $7,000 a contract.
I can't wait to win another $3,000.
I'm absolutely flabbergasted because I would have made an extra 9,000 had I held, but it's okay. It's okay. All right. Yeah, IWM closed right on her bullish channel, holding VWAP, still holding her 9 EMA. She's just chopping us in this range. I'm not loving any setups right now on same days until she kind of breaks out of this little choppy chop range. I do see a big level of resistance. I do see her potentially coming down and hitting that pre-market low level. War talks. QQQ did lose her level of support just then. Oracle's now fucking trying to hold after I sold, of course. Piece of shit. SPY. Ooh, SPY giving us that potential setup. If she loses on SPY, so if we get this bullish channel rejection here, potentially her creating a new low of day, I'm going to expect that 652.27 level, and then I'll expect 651.28. But I just don't like this little kind of choppy chop that we're seeing, so I'm just being patient on any setups and kind of hopping into same days and just giving money back to the market for no reason. But I could see the potential pull down here. Not a ton of volume into these candles.
Would have thought the PPI report coming in lower would have helped, but I think this Oracle just pushed everything aside. I don't even think people are paying attention to PPI.
I mean, I think too at this point it's, I don't want to say it's priced in, but I feel like we just kind of keep getting hit with not great news, right?
Yeah. And everything else is down, like Amazon's down, Meta's down.
Right. Also, guys, if you're still in our 600 QQ on the 19th, we're up 62% on those runners. So we have ABGO in the 100%, QQQ's over 60%. Our UNH trade is over 50%. We just hit 1900% on Oracle. We're chilling. And if you have those Google 250s, we're also hitting up 45% on those Google 250s that expire on the 19th. So we're sitting pretty, chat. All right, IWM. Hey, babe.
Missed you guys.
Morning.
Surprise. I'm so bored. I'm so bored.
Yeah, this shit is horrendous right now.
Yeah. I'm not used to it being this boring this fast. Usually this is like the most
Like
fun time.
right out of the gate, right? Like we just started with fucking boredom.
I guess Milky, it's hard to top your biggest day, right? Looking for a day trade after your swing.
Factual.
Dodge,
Absolutely.
you can add me as co-host if you need to. Just an
Oh yeah,
FYI.
for sure. Yeah, let me do that. That way you could, if you see anybody else coming up.
Yeah.
Wait, Dodge is talking? Oh shit.
My mic's finally working.
I've never heard this cat's voice besides on the
When I
the
host
long
my,
term stuff.
yeah. Well, I do those broadcasts live, so and then I just record it and pop it in the Discord. So
Nice.
yeah, usually, yeah, I'll help KT. Usually he's the one running these, but he had his MRI, so I was like, he forgot it was today, not yesterday. So he's like, oh man, I gotta switch the host. I was like, all right, I'll run it for you.
Woohoo.
Yeah, I can't be on the space. There's too much echoing.
You're still getting echo on the old one?
Yeah, I'll just chill in here.
Okay. I mean, Spaces, can you hear Eddie if I have
Yeah,
the...
we can hear him. It's all good.
Okay,
Yeah, we can hear
they
him.
can hear you, Eddie.
It's a
I have
little
it all.
quieter, but it's clear. It's all good.
Okay.
Nvidia's bouncing off VWAP now. I mean, I would probably want it back over 177.75 to be interested. We could end up just chopping like we've been, what,
Holy shit,
3 weeks?
man.
Holy shit, what happened?
There was some
CoreWeave is
trade.
pumping.
that he
God damn
liked
it.
and he didn't take because
I
that's what he
bought
does every day
commons.
of the
I
week.
bought fucking commons. I bought commons on Core Weave, and I decided to skip the options on it for some fucking idiotic reason.
Don't you love it when we do that?
Constantly.
Yeah. Like CMPS, I did the same shit. And CMPS is still, like, my shares are up 104%. And I'm like, God dang it.
Apple looks pretty rough still. We could continue to kind of hammer down on Apple. Big nothing burger. There was nothing at that Apple event where I'm like, ooh, okay. Oh, a skinnier phone. Is that your main pitch? Cool. I don't
No,
know.
it was AirPods with live translation.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I think that was like, well, at least from like a geek's perspective, because Eddie geeks out on headphones and shit. He was
Yeah,
excited about that, so I was like, okay, like that makes sense then. Like I get that. By the way, guys,
that's
I'm looking.
cool for traveling and
I like the AirPods and then the watch that has that it monitors your blood pressure because I have blood pressure problems. So I think that's great. Sorry, babe. What were you gonna say?
Oh, nothing. I was gonna talk about IWM, guys. She's holding VWAP. She's holding mid range. She's holding her 90 MA. She's right below opening range resistance off her 15-minute. On top of that, she's in this little sell zone. She's yet to be able to close a candle above this 238.25. So if she breaks that, and then gives me some consolidation up there, I might take the 238 longs. But as of right now, I don't like the movement. It's not anything I'm excited about.
watching but waiting for confirmation. I like that. A little triple top, higher lows each pullback. So just
Yeah,
need a little confirmation on top of it. I get that.
yeah.
I concur.
I concur. Like the 238s, like if you took them literally like a minute and a half ago, you're up 20%. But it's like it's an unconfirmed trade and you're kind of just throwing money. And these aren't like normally I like to play like $20 contracts. These are $66. So not necessarily I would rather
I was trying to heat up a little bit here.
And I told you guys yesterday when it was like 270s, I was like, it's gonna go to fucking 300, then 320, and then if we hit over 320, it's gonna go to 350.
holy AVGO, let's go. We're up
Yeah, price
134%
discovery.
on that AVGO swing. Go. Oh my God, let's
Yeah,
go.
this, I
Up
mean,
300% today.
and it's AVGO is literally just price discovery. Isn't even hinting at wanting to slow down. Great company, that nice gap up, little bit of a pullback, and then a rip. Very nice trade there. That was a nice setup. Now it's in price discovery.
Thank you.
Yeesh.
Well, I played the
Beautiful.
earnings, right? And then she had this
Hmm.
nasty sell off. And I told the chat, I'm like, hey, I'm looking at Oracle ER.
Guys, I'm long
And then I'm
Nasdaq.
looking
Let's
at
go.
the dip buy on ABGO. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm stoked on it.
Yeah,
Hopefully
because
some.
on that pullback, the second, like we held the low of the gap up
Heavy
day.
long
So
Nasdaq.
those
Heavy
next
long
couple
Nasdaq.
days, nice, nice continuation there for sure.
Yeah.
Reminds me of what Google did at last earnings, like 4 months ago, where it just gapped up, pulled back just a dip, and then just continued to go. Very similar setup.
Oh, Oracle looks so good still. Look at her fucking
Shit.
bull flagging me. Just kidding. Not yet. But she's doing some shit. She's making me regret selling. Okay. I'll figure it out.
I don't know if you're into luxury shit, but Brabus is creating an island and this shit looks crazy.
Brabus is creating an
Yeah.
island. That's aggressive.
Yes. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
IWM rejection while the SPY's kind of holding here. Definitely interesting. Those SPY calls are up about 22% here. I want to see it pop. There we go. Cheapies too today. Kind of surprising.
Ooh. Maybe we're getting the bullish channel retest here on IWM, maybe. I'll take it.
So if you guys are with me here, we're looking at the NASDAQ, 23,976. I am kind of heavy. We get to 23,976. I'm going to take 10 off. I got another target at 24,015. And above that, we got the data high. Because, again, the whole premises of the trade was from data low to data high. Data high is going to be at 24,0444. Looking like we're about to hit target one now.
I like it. Is coin just ripping face too? I see people talking about coin in the chat.
Come on, Spy. Stop pushing.
What's Spy doing? IWM's not doing shit.
Spy's kind of is stalling out a little bit here. We've got to break that 654.25, and then I think we could 654.75 is my next target.
Oh yeah, so it looks good.
And these were actually cheapies too, so they're moving pretty decent here. I'm 32 cents to 48 so far, about 50%. Not bad.
Not too.
Usually I don't buy contracts that cheap, but it was just one strike out on the money, so I did.
Yeah.
I need to start buying them that cheap. They pay better.
I love.
If I'm gonna have risk, I might as well go for the gold, baby.
Absolutely. IWM is moving like trash. Gross. She's like, take the day off. You did so good.
Right?
Target one just got hit.
There we go,
Target
Spy.
one just got hit. Stops at break even. Next target 24,015.
Nice. 32 cents to 54 cents on our Spy as well, about 60% here. E-Trade's reading that made me think of here, I'll show you. Let me see if they have a GIF of this movie. Yeah. This one. Anyone know what movie that is? It's from my childhood. Man, I just aged the shit out of myself. I was on Spaces the other day, and Jordan, one of them, is like 23. And they're talking about something, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, I could be this kid's mom. It was like terrifying to me. Oh, jeez.
I got asked in the airport if my kids were around because the guy said the guy was like, he was just standing in front of me in line and asked. He told me he was 19 and like, oh my God. I was like, yeah, you're a babe, or like a baby. And then
Yeah.
he's like, oh yeah, you got any kids around here? And I was like, oh, go fuck yourself. No, I don't have any kids. Leave me alone. And if I did, they'd be small.
Oh, man. My daughter just left for her sophomore year of college. Shoot me.
Wow.
I had her young, though. Full disclosure.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I was one and done.
I've always wanted them. It's just, I just don't have any yet. I'm probably going to like pop them out when I'm fucking 40.
That's okay.
Soon.
Yeah.
Part of me wishes I would have waited till like now, like, 35, 40, because I don't know, more financially secure. Like we grinded, like my 20s were insane.
Fuck that. No, because imagine.
Yeah.
Now, at the age you're at, you're successful. Your kid's gonna be like ready to go out to dinners with you, and then they're gonna go to college, and then you get to live your life again. Like I kind of look at
That's
upside
true.
of it.
Yeah, that's true too, because we can just drop and
My
go.
20s
All
were
we have to
boring.
worry
I
about
didn't
is
do
little
shit. There was
dogs.
no response. There was no responsibility. I was financially, yeah, I was financially the dumbest person alive.
Oh
I want
yeah,
to get
all of us.
a dog. Like, let me get married. Let me get married. Like, what the fuck was I thinking? Like, hello.
Yeah, but it is
Like, if
true
I
for
would have
sure.
had
Because
kids young, that'd be great.
yeah,
I would have been fine
like
with
I
it.
would never have another now. Like, there's no way. I'm not. No, but yeah, I agree with that because we can just kind of pick up and go. Other than these little dogs that act like babies, we're pretty not tied down to
They are
anything
babies.
anymore. It is nice. Oh, they definitely are babies.
They are babies. I know I missed mine. I haven't seen mine in like a month and a half because I've been so busy traveling. I'm like, oh, I miss my babes. I'll see him soon. Okay, this Google trade. Let me my trading. All right, we have what? Q's. Ooh, shitty movement. Shitty movement on Q's. You guys got what? Like a nice 50% trade out of SPY. I never got my retest on SPY, so I didn't take the SPY trade. And IWM is just not moving. So no trades for me on IWM. I didn't take SPY. What else? Yep,
Yeah, we had
that's
about
all I got.
36
Nothing.
cents
I got
to
nothing.
60. I've got runners left. Just yeah, not it's too exciting. Spy is holding well above that level. But I'm not. You're right. Oracle still looks great. I can't believe that fucker's up 40%. That's insane for
It's
such a large
stupid.
cap.
So
What's their
stupid
cap
right now. I'm
now?
literally like, I'm I'm so mad
556.
at myself. I could have
Oh my
made like an extra,
God.
like a little extra, like probably like nine or 10,000, $12,000 if I just held it instead of being a big old baby.
This thing is insane with 2.8 billion outstanding shares and a 1.6 free float. Oh my goodness, these numbers are wild. This could keep having a little bit of spice going on. So that's a difference of 1.642, 1.2 billion share difference between outstanding and float. Sheesh.
I'm thinking about rebuying the 360s. I know it sounds nuts because I originally had the 260s, and I'm like, I kind of want to like still be in this trade. I'm like, ugh.
This stock just added $400 billion worth of cap on it overnight. That's enough
Yeah.
to like buy a Fortune 500 company. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm
I
curious to
just
see what they're going to do with that inflow.
I just took two contracts of the 360s. I got them at a 363 fill. They're up 17% right already, like off of this little pump that she's getting. Um,
Crazy.
I chased the fill. I tried to get filled at 350. I didn't get filled, so I
That's
took the 363 fill just to
that's
still
some
be in the
Nvidia
trade.
vibes there. I'll tell you what. That is I didn't realize it broke that high. Holy shit.
Oh
I
yeah, I
missed
mean
it.
we bought these at two. I think it was trading around like 235 when I took it.
Nice.
And yeah, we paid 375 a contract, and they were worth almost 8,000 today.
Unbelievable. What a trade.
Nuts, 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 nuts.
Amazing.
So I feel bad for anybody in the room who's just waiting for me to call IWM right now. I'm like, I'm sorry, there's nothing to call on IWM. IWM is doing nothing.
Palantir tried to get a little bit of pep in its step. Tesla, we went very green. Now we're a bit break even. I definitely missed a trim, but I'm a break even for my original entry. I said I was going to hold that deep red, 50% stop. We did go as far down as like 30%. And then our SPY calls 34 cents to 57 cents. I'm down to 5 on that. But it sucks. All its price. I force that SPY trade because I'm bored. So I admit it.
I totally get it. I'm still watching these 238s on IWM, and I'm literally like, they went from 68. No, they went from like 70 something all the way down to 45, and now they're back at 53. I'm just like, it's not. This isn't pretty movement. You're just kind of getting
No.
chopped. There's not even a scalp to take unless you're taking 2%. Like,
Yeah, then nothing looks great. SMCI, I mean, how much is our swing up now? I was like, how did he not get filled? It's because Miyagi takes 50, 80 contracts,
oh
$100,000 worth of contracts. So I was like, I got filled instantly yesterday, but I have a baby account compared to him. 75% on our October SMCIs. I've got 3 left. So yeah, I don't trade a giant account. I still only put 1 to 2,000 in every trade. It doesn't matter how many digits, 7-figure account. I don't give a shit. I still put like $1 to 2,000 in every trade.
no,
I'm a big puss.
I think but I think that's super appropriate. Like,
Yeah.
I see people who have $1,000 accounts that are $1,000 accounts that are throwing $300, $400, $500 at trades. And I'm like, you
Yep.
guys you're stupid. Like, you're so stupid. And then they get a
Yeah.
$10,000 account and they're throwing 1,000, 2,000 at a trade. I was like, you just threw 20% of your account into
And they
one
wonder why
trade.
they lose 40% of their account value in one day. They're
Right.
churning their whole cash account every day of the week. And it's not, you can do that and you can get super hot and you can build an account, of course, but it's not long term sustainable to do that. At some point, you have to have a little bit of risk control with,
Yeah,
position sizing. Absolutely.
absolutely. And I've done it myself too. Like, the moment I start trading bigger, I just trade, I want to say I trade dumber.
Yeah.
Like, I get this, oh, I just did so good. And then I get all of a sudden, I just think I'm the world's best trader. And then here I am over leveraged, $8,000 into a
Yep.
trade. And I'm like, why am I $8,000 into this trade right now? Like, what am I thinking? It's just, I
No,
don't know
I
why we
get
do
it.
that. So,
100%. I get it.
like, now I'm trading in like a $50,000 account, and I'm still trying to stay under like four to $5,000 a trade, and that's 5,000 if I'm taking like a full on like big slap
Yeah.
average after I get my setup.
Yep. No, I get it. I've been trying to what I was doing forever for a very long time, from probably the end of 2021 into 2024, was every time I had 25K, every time I'd hit 50K, I'd pull 25K out. And then last year I was like, you know what, I'm gonna grow it to, I think it was, I wanted to get to 250K. So I did that. And then I started pulling out 50K when I'd hit it. And then I stopped doing it. And like 2 months ago, I was like, I'm not gonna take anything out of my account until I could hit 500K. And then I got like really fucking lazy with my runners. And even though like I was having like multiple days of like $10,000, $15,000 profits, I was spinning in this like $20,000 range. And like I just got stuck. So like right now I'm trying to tighten up my risk again, but I still only put like max I put in a trade is like 4,000, 5,000, and that's if it's really expensive contracts. Like, UNH was like
Right.
pretty pricey, so then I put a little more in. Because it's not worth it for me. All it takes is one crazy sell the news event that could catastrophically destroy anyone's account at any time. So I don't have I can't do it. I play
Absolutely.
small ball,
Absolutely.
and that's okay
Yeah.
for me. Like, I could not imagine having a massive chunk of money in a day trade, 0 DTE. I think I'd have a heart attack. I'd be dead. So
I totally get it. I know. I watch Eddie throw like 30K, 40K at fucking 0 days. I'm like, you're fucking nuts. Like, you're
yeah, we have
crazy.
E-Trades in our Discord. I'm like, I don't know how he does it. But then he tells me I don't know how you're holding $300,000 worth of swing trade contracts, just runners, this and that. He's like, I couldn't go to sleep at night. And I feel exactly the opposite. I'm like, that I'm safe with. It's safe. And so it's just the type of trader you are. It depends. So
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Okay, guys, what I'm watching on IWM is her do fucking nothing. This is 30 minutes of her just holding VWAP. She did just break out of the little bullish channel that she had created. Um, Now she broke out. We'll see if this is a retest with a rejection. If she comes back up, she taps opening range resistance, can possibly pull down, lose VWAP. Maybe I'll be interested in the short side. As of right now, I hate IWM. She's not doing anything for me. So I'm going to look at something else because she's doing nothing.
Yeah.
Gross. She's literally just barcoding. It's nasty. Nasty. Our swings are all still killing it though, so at least we're making some money some way. Okay, get back into here. All right, IWM, maybe you'll do something fun here. Just maybe.
You gotta quit, friends. Oh, you're okay.
Okay. Holy shit, skabobs. Nuts. Absolutely nuts.
SMCI, new high a day, just keeps kind of ripping. Google's ripping.
I love that for my Google swing.
Yeah, Google looks good today.
Well, so I took Google for a couple of reasons last week. I took it into the potential with rate cuts, with all this AI news, with just everything AI based, and Google having that potential for the pop. And that's why I just took like 5 contracts in it. And I'm very happy I did because we're up about 100% on that position as well. I probably could have had different reasonings for taking it other than just a hunch, but
No, I remember you in it. Last week you were in it.
yeah,
We were
the two
talking about it a
tens.
little bit too. Yup.
And then she absolutely ripped, and I was like, fuck, I was like, I'm not in it anymore. Okay,
So here,
IWM.
IWM, higher lows. That's cracking me up. We both said at the same time.
I'm like, this bitch. And she's right back at her original entry. So if you had that original 66 entry, she's right back at it. She needs to break this opening range resistance for me. She
Yep.
needs to like start breaking through these levels. Otherwise, it's just going to be a potential rejection spot for her again.
And
I'm
5-minute lower volume every single candle on the 5-minute, but
every
it
time.
is a bullish right triangle. So higher lows each pullback. So if it could pop this level and hold it with some volume, it could, but there's no confirmation yet.
Zero. She's just doing nothing for me.
Yep. And
This
as
is
we know
actually
from the last few weeks, oh my goodness, when we get chopped like that, it's
ugh,
terrible.
it's gross, and that's what she's kind of hasn't been moving super smoothly. Some days, yes, but just not like a beautiful. We've got like a couple beautiful trend days compared to like weeks where we're getting multiple beautiful. I want multiple beautiful trends. Holy AVGO, guys, these are up. So if you're in that AVGO 355 call, these are up 202%. Oh my goodness, 448% today. Let's go, chat. I'm sorry for those of you who are on Twitter who are like, who is this bitch? She never tells us. Yeah, I don't. I'm sorry. I get a lot of hate on Twitter, so I don't normally post my Twitter. Me,
Because
so I
Twitter is a
post it
bunch
to
of
them.
micropene biatches. Sorry, it is.
Dude, Twitter's
Horrible.
aggressive.
It's horrible. It's horrible.
It's well, most of the hate that I get is directed towards Eddie, but still, it's like you guys are crazy.
Yeah, but you got.
I'm like,
Yo,
you're
Euro
talking to a
Nasdaq,
woman.
another
Like,
position. I'm taking scaling here. Very good trade, everybody.
what is it? What happened on Nasdaq? Tell me.
I called long at 23,939. Current price 23,981. This is my second scale out. Next
Beautiful.
target is going to be 24,014.
Beautiful. Okay. All right, chat. AVGO is absolutely crushing it. Our QQQs are crushing it. Google's crushing it. All swings are doing well. IWM's not doing anything.
Cheerlead your trade too much because then it gets you knocked off of
Alex, you my nigga, so I'm gonna just go ahead and say what Cubo trying to say directly to you. You a little emotional over there, and what you really need to understand, if you feel that emotional in a trade, you got too many on. Like you should literally you should not care if that trade goes to target or if it hits your stop. You should understand that there's risk involved with what you're doing, right? And if you're looking at every tick and like it's life or death, you have too many contracts on, and it's okay because everybody has a different particular sizing that they like. But if you have so many contracts on that you jumping around on a green candle, but you under the bed under the red candle, just cut the trade. It's okay. You know what I mean? Because
It is
again, you got
okay. Cut it.
365 days in a year, right? So you got like a bunch of trades that you can take. Oh damn, my bad. I'm unmuted here. My bad.
No, I love it. I love it. Keep going.
No,
Love
like
it.
I'm trying to manage my stream over here in the background, and I got somebody.
I hear you.
Yeah. Okay. But at the end of the day, though, like this is an A+ setup, right? And again, A+ setup, put the size on, and again, I know I called tier 3, which means I'm maxing out my position size. If it hit my stop, I'm just going to take a clap nap. I'll be back tomorrow, though. All right, I'm just going to be done for the day, right? So at the end of the day, sizing's key, setups are key, and just you have to play the game of probability, right? And the game of probability says if you got a 70% win rate, 60% win rate, theoretically, if you follow your plan, you're going to find a win, right? So again, just size down, let it come to you. Right now, we stops at break even, right? Everybody stops at break even. If you do 999, if we stops at break even, mine is. I'm talking about you. You're a funny dude. Listen, I don't understand. Listen, I am like 98% positive we'll see 24,014. It's clean. It's so clean. It's just liquidity's there. Everything's there. If it doesn't go to 24,014, I don't know. I'm going to go to sleep. It's clean, bro. Cleanest setup of the week.
Probabilities. You're speaking my language. Love it. We'll bull flag on Google. Nothing I love. Other than the stuff we've already taken, obviously. I do have spy runners still.
If
They
we
got
lose the
nothing.
9, I am looking at possible SPY puts. Wait, is my mic on?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry, I was charting NVIDIA here. This flag.
And if you guys are in the Honeycomb Discord, you'll probably understand why I'm interested in puts here.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Honestly, I'd probably go 1DT if I took these, though. Only because that pattern that I posted is based on like a 4-hour chart. So
Well, we just lost that. I really wanted to see us hold 654.26 on candle closes. We lost that. Uh-oh, are we getting a CBC, what's it called? No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm an asshole. I gotta shut up. Shush.
You're awesome.
What is it? The cock by cock method?
Who's mentioning puts? That would be Arsenic. He's the top tick, bottom tick trader, and I always say I'm waiting. I hate the entry. So I was just being quiet because I didn't have confirmation yet. But we just have two different entry trading plans.
Yeah, we're smacking. The only reason I'm interested here is we still would have to lose more on this 9 for me to take these, but we're smacking that trend line that I posted earlier, kind of that rising wedge
Yeah.
on the 4 hour pattern. So that's why I said I'd probably go 1 DTE if I were to take these, because we still really need to lose with some strength on the 9 for me to be interested in puts though.
I am
And right now we're kind of bouncing off the 21.
I'm all out of those SPY calls. And by the way, SMCI is dropping off that 25% retrace that we love to see. However, SMCI spreads are atrocious trash. Actually, they're not bad today. Holy shit. Okay, I take that back. The spreads are only under 10%. That is not usually, you guys know, usually I won't play SMCI because we've got 10, 15% spreads. Spreads are fantastic today. I take it back. SMCA right here could get a nice little bounce. We'll see. Nvidia just broke right out of the flag I posted in the chat. I think Lex Luthor posted it too. Same exact time I did.
I've been saying this since like whenever the hell SMCI dropped, if you were not buying that, I don't know what to tell you.
I mean,
I say
we've
that just
perfected
based
the
on
entry.
I'm talking about commons. I bought a lot of common shares
Oh,
on SMCI. I bought a lot of common shares on SMCI. Like
nice.
I'm an SMCI bull, and the reason why, and most people are not going to see it this way. While the accounting might be fucked, the technology that they have alone would put them in a solid position for a decent
Nah,
acquisition.
I 100% unequivocally am an SMCI bear overall. They're
Damn.
shady. Their numbers are shady. Their earnings are shady. They have bought way too much. They have I don't know. I got to look at the most recent earnings report. I really kind of wrote them off about 3 months ago. But when you constantly have, it's where there's smoke, there's fire in a way. But it doesn't matter because we stare charts every day of the week. And that's what I talk about a lot is it doesn't matter what I'm holding in my retirement account because for 99% of us, we ain't holding it that long. We're staring at SPY charts every day. I know unequivocally, other than shit like SoFi, I bought at $7 and Palantir sub 10. I won't hold that shit for the next 20 years because I'm a trader by nature. So if you buy the lows and you're selling at the highs, who gives a shit what the company's worth in the background? If it's a good, strong technical setup and you have good risk reward on it, who cares?
Yeah.
Unless you plan on holding it for your retirement, who gives a shit?
I'm looking at from an acquisition standpoint. I think if they continue to fuck it up, someone's definitely going to buy them out. I just personally can't foresee a company with that much technology just going entirely belly up and someone not buying them out at a
No,
decent
I
price
think
point.
someone will 100% buy them, and that's part of the reason they stay extremely liquid with good volume, everything else. This daily chart is absolutely disgusting. There is no chance I'm closing these Octobers here, and I would probably let them go as deep as 30% red, even though we're 75% green, because this chart is getting ready to find a new leg up. Once we break 50, I mean, we should be over 60 within 3 to 5 days. Historically, every time we break $50 on SMCI, we're up to $60 within 5 to 7 trading days. So just keep that in mind. And anyone that thinks they're too late getting in on SMCI, that's bullshit too. I wouldn't necessarily buy on a 4.3% up day, but once we break, where is this line here? Let me see. I like a second chance entry once we are over approximately, sorry, like 49, $50. So we want that $50 break, and then I would like a second chance entry. But it looks fantastic. Even like trend line drawn across the last 3 lows is exactly where it bounced as well. Very nice looking chart. I'm gonna actually put this chart. I'll put this chart in the stream here. Let me pull it up.
If anyone triggered those puts, I would be selling some a heavy amount here.
All right, here we go, guys. Let me add these. Oh, I can't add them in here. I forgot. There's something weird with this stream. Even as a host, I should be able to add something.
We lose this spot here. I think we're coming down to 562.40 minimum. Actually, we can slide that up. We might hit a little resistance at 652.89. What the fuck am I quoting over here? $652.89 and $652.40. Gotta lose this spot though for any continuation.
You'll see the SMCI chart in the nest, guys, up top. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's literally, pinched up. I talk a lot about on the daily time frames. We like to see long-term point of control and the 200 SMA on the daily like pinched together, and that's exactly what we have here. That's the 200 is crossing over point of control, yearly point of control too. For people that don't know what point of control is the highest volume. It's volume shelves pretty much. It's the highest volume shelf, whatever time frame you're looking at. So we bounce off both, and we've got that beautiful volume shelf as well. We do have some resistance around 47.50, and also if you really zoom in and look on daily, 4-hour, whatever, we're in a downtrend and we pop through it. So we could come back, retest that, and then push. We'll see, but it's really got a nice setup overall for continuation. And I put the chart in the nest, which took me 10 minutes to figure out how to do that.
You put it where?
In the above, look up in the X.
Yeah,
Pull up the
I
X.
don't see anything.
Here, I'll show you in the Discord right
Yep, I
here.
see it now. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
That's probably one of my favorite setups of all setups is when we get the 200 kind of crossing through a point of control, which is a volume shelf, because it's given us like an extra layer of protection. Where we know if we lose that, cut it, it's a wrap. We could come back to it. And also, we have a fantastic risk reward. Our probabilities are stacked where we could take a trade like that 3, 4, 5 times and fail 4 of them and still be highly profitable because of that ups the target ranges on the upside versus how tight we would cut it. And honestly, the contracts are so much better looking now than they looked a few months ago. I was kind of shocked because you guys know I would say all the time I won't trade SMCI. It's trash. There's 20% spreads on contracts, all that shit I said. So I'm like
Guys,
90.
if you're
Oh,
in puts, sorry, Amy, if you're in puts, just be
you're good.
mindful of this doji that we just formed on the 5 minute on SPY.
I'm just gonna warn you guys right now and apologize ahead of time. I'm like 99% sure I'm gonna go to the Packers game tomorrow night. So I won't be streaming Friday morning if I do that. Just want to let you guys
She
know.
about to
Like
go get white girl
I
wasted.
can't say oh, I'm not going to go to Thursday night because it was a pivot game, meaning it wasn't scheduled for Thursday night and they switched it a couple weeks ago. Um or I would have let you guys know ahead of time, but how am I not
You
going to go up to
you
Green
gotta
Bay with
watch
the
Micah.
Redskins there or the
You,
Commanders, not
you gotta
Redskins,
watch
sorry.
Micah Parsons too. So
Yeah, and I'm a Packers. I mean, I sold most of the games for this year. I kept that one and I kept the Philly game. So,
oh yeah, that should be good.
yeah, I can't
Yep,
not
I'm
go
out of my
because I
puts right
stream
there.
Friday morning. You guys will survive, you know?
I'm out of my puts right
I
there.
mean, shit. How much money season tickets cost? A freaking Packers. Actually, cheaper than 90% of leagues out there, though. The resale value is killer, though, because it's impossible to get Packers tickets. The whole stadium is season ticket holders. Yeah, and the wait list, like these have been passed down. I'm like third generation season ticket holder for the Packers. It's the only way you could get them, or you're on a wait list for like 30 years. Oh, what a baby. What are you doing? Okay. You're okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'm finally going to enter 2 Tesla 355s. I finally like it here. I think it'll finally hold and go.
Oh, I want to be a fucking bear here, but I can't.
Stop jumping around then. Sit still. Two dead ass opposite dogs. So I got both my female dogs spayed. The puppy is just chilling, like high as fuck, happy as hell. Just pop back on the couch. And then the old drama queen will not stop pacing, keeps hurting herself because she won't stop pacing, making it worse and worse. Just dead ass opposite dogs. It's crazy. Is our Tesla moving, Jay Dizzle? Oh, baby. That's why I held it with a 50% stop loss at market open. I'm now green 15%. And I did say that I was doing a 50% stop loss, so which I know is terrible risk reward, but I didn't want to miss the break. So I'm with you, Justin. I like that entry.
I just wanted to wait till I knew we could really hold pre-market high.
I get it. I mean, my entry was
It
actually
rejected. It come up, it hit it, and it rejected. And now it's come up and it's kind of held above it for a few minutes. And now the 10 EMA is getting close to where pre-market high is, and it's been pretty good about holding that. So now I feel okay about getting in.
I get it. I like it. I love it.
Time.
Yeah. No, I get it. I knew I might have missed it, and I felt good that it was holding 350 for the most part the last 2 days. I liked how it was holding. So like when I bought it too, I said I'm going to give it a 50% stop loss simply because I don't want to miss this push. So I definitely wasn't being risk reward savvy at all on my entry earlier. So your entry destroys mine. So, but I do like the entry. I'm just kind of backing that I like the entry overall.
Thank you. Now I can just sit back and let it play out, I hope.
Yeah. Also on the I do like Tesla. We still have some swing on Tesla. As you guys know, I've got October and September Tesla runners that we're still kind of sitting on. By the way, Palantir for September 19th, we're up about 140% on those bad boys. What else we got going on here? MU, I've got 2 left for next week, and it's just FU gains porn now. 750% on those. And SoFi kind of nosedived a little bit from high a day. UNH pulled back some today, but these are long term. These are January and June 2027s or 26s, so I'm good on that. And I went from what was it, 449K to 470. So I'm up 20. I'm up 20K since I said I have to be more actionable and aware and have more accountability about trimming my runners. I like kind of told myself the other day on the Discord about that. If you guys, everybody listening, we were talking about that the other day, and immediately I see the difference. So just wanted to point that out as well. That was something we talked about in the Discord.
I don't like the way IWM is moving, so I'm gonna go eat and then I'll come back.
All right.
I'm gonna go shove some food in my face and drink coffee and celebrate my win without being bored out of my mind staring at IWM doing jack
Sounds
shit.
good, girl.
Okay, I'll see you guys in a little.
Bye.
Is there anything worth looking at today?
Nope. My super top secret ultimate swing setup that's going to pay as good as Palantir and Robinhood has not hit triggers yet. And I'm keeping it very close to the vest. Sorry.
SPY just needs to give me that pop. 654.10. Might be interested in puts again. Maybe.
Hims is setting up on the daily for another ripperoonie. I could see it up at 54 and really 60 after that. If we could break like 51 and hold, I think 60 could come quick. I'm going to chart this. Someone just bought hymns. Like, yeah, I remember in the Discord, someone swung hymns recently.
Not Miyagi. He hates that shit.
And oh boy, we're getting very close, 50% retrace from that $71 high or 70.43 high to that 41 low. Getting super close, 50% retrace on that bad boy too. And we're right at long-term point of control. Yeah, this looks nicey nice. I feel like I opened, so I have to look at my portfolio because I feel like I alerted him. And I might have even forgot. Let me look at my holdings. Nope, no hymns. Nope. Oh man, this thing is just a really technically beautiful chart. Look at the way it bounces off the 200 every damn time. Look at that. Like on the day of. This is insane.
Yeah, she's about to come down.
Hims is not coming down.
No. I'm talking about SPY.
Look at this chart,
I'm not
guys.
triggering anything yet, though.
This is why the only EMA or MA in the world that matters is the 200 SMA on the daily. Only one I give a shit about right there.
Did I not nail that Tesla entry or what?
You fucking nailed it. Doesn't mean I like the 10.
I know.
I am a EMA and SMA
Hater.
snob.
You're
Yes, I'm a fucking hater. I'm a hater. But you know what the funny part is? Technically, I should be a fibs hater because I think that wave theory is trash. And the only reason I really even like fibs is because of the midpoint. And it's a great guide for risk reward. But overall, I should technically hate the fibs.
The only thing I like on the fibs is the 50% and the 618.
Yeah,
The
that
rest
zone. The 25's trash. The only reason I have 25 on is because it's a really good point for people that are trying to play rejections or continuations off of levels. Like if you lose a 25, you could feel good about taking that put level. You gave it enough juice to go down. And it is a perfect dead cat bounce on any heavy selling ever in history. 25% is dead cat bounce, or are we getting a trap, or are we going to continue down? But overall, I don't like personally taking trades off the 25. It's just more of a guide than a trade entry for me. Yeah, but that 5618 is all I give a shit about too. I agree with you there. Here's that HIMS chart, guys. Looks interesting.
So the only thing I ever use fibs for, honestly, I have a 33% fib on. I will measure a hammer candle or a shooter candle from wick to wick and see if the body is within 33%.
I like
That
that.
is it. Because if you have a 33% body from wick to wick, it's a pretty good chance that it's going to go in force, as I say. Like it's going to break the top of that or the bottom of that hammer or shooter.
I like that. That's a good alternative way to measure.
Need to see how we close on this candle here for SPY.
Well, if Tesla's going up, then SPY is going down. If SPY is going up, Tesla's going down. That's just theory, but it seems to work.
Kind of interested in puts, but we also got like a little bit of a falling wedge on the SPY 2 minutes. So, and we're kind of holding the 618 here.
30% here on Tesla.
Let's go, Justin. Let's go. I'm
Like,
selling
I'm
some Tesla
honestly
here
might
too.
call it soon, guys. I'm fucking bored as shit, and I feel like I'm about to force something any moment
You know
now.
what? Arsenic says this every day, and then he sits in the chat and still charts shit all day long.
Listen, I
Every
can
day.
chart it. If I chart it, that don't mean I'm trading it.
Every day you're like, I gotta put it down right now because I'm gonna, and then I'll like look back at like lunch in the worst chat ever, and you've posted like 7 different charts, just killing it.
I just like to chart sometimes. It's like an addiction.
By the way, our Tesla here, I'm about 45%. I'm selling some. And the only reason my entry is better than Justin's, it was a horrible entry. I had a 50% stop loss on it. It was an entry right at market open, and it hit 30% down before it pushed up. And I did tell everybody I was going to hold it deep. So Justin 100% crushed me on that entry.
All right, everybody ready?
And I didn't go red on it either.
Yeah, I did.
Ooh, damn, Justin.
I know
Relax, my guy.
he'd being a hater, huh? Hear that? Hater. No, I'm just kidding.
For once, I get to talk shit to you about
I know,
something
I
other
love it.
than sandwich.
Go make me a sandwich. Let's go. All right, so we're at about 50-50 now on hymns. I'm going to take a little entry, but it's you got to be in the Discord to get that one, which one I'm going to take. But I do like hymns here. I'll give you guys that. But my first target's going to be that 50% retrace. We're about 5% away from it, so we can make some money into that as well.
I sold one of my Teslas here at 30% just because I only had 2 of them, but I can trim one off here at 30%. I feel good about letting the other one run.
You said you posted
Take some.
it, Amy? My bad, Justin.
Yeah, I'm gonna post.
Fuck.
I'm gonna post it in
My
a minute
bad.
here. I'm writing it up. There's no hurry, so it's not like I'm not buying next week expiration.
All morning, we got a $2 range. It's gorgeous.
What do you think about shutting this down in a few minutes here?
Yeah, I don't
Gosh.
disagree. Kind of burning time at this point. It's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It looks like it's I mean, all the moves happen overnight. It seems like, and everyone's just locking in profits. So
Yep.
all right, guys. Yeah, so I guess we'll
Let's
go ahead
shut
and
it
wrap
down.
it up. Yeah, we'll wrap it up and just go back in the Discord and have members voice up.
Yeah, well, I'll jump on member voice, guys. So I'll see you guys in there.
Thanks, Juicy, and then Milky. I know she's not here anymore, but thanks, Milky and Zach, for hopping on earlier, and Chaz. Appreciate it.
See you guys in Discord.
Peace, folks.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.